Hi, everybody. My name is Robbie Weidman, and this is Resonance version 2.0. This is an adaptive, explainable music recommendation agent powered by AI and built with Claude Code and ChatGPT. We're going to show you the Streamlit version in a very quick high-level overview. So we're going to run it with Streamlit run app.py. It's going to open up in a second here. Perfect. It went right to it. So we're going to go with this basic rock intense profile for our demo. We're going to start listening. Now, when you start off, it gives you the basic over here on the left side. It's going to give you the basic stuff that we had set up with whatever profile we chose when we started. Cycle zeros began. We have no changes at this point. We haven't done anything. It tells you why it recommends the song, right? It tells you it's similar in emotional tone to what you want to hear, your tempo, all that kind of stuff. And it breaks it down on point scales here. If you click like, because I like that, or replay, because Kansas and being a Supernatural fan go hand in hand.
Well, you know what that means. We got work to do.
It keeps changing these things. Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi, that's a good one. Now, that's cycle 0 finished. Or technically cycle 1, I guess. And it tells you why it changed it. It changes it in your profile. And so now you're going to get different recommendations. Guns N' Roses, that's something I like. Voltline, I don't know if that's a real song. It's from the original library. And I built the library of about 210 total, I think it was. Maybe 200 songs. Queen, another one bites the dust. Can't go wrong with Queen. Free Fallin', not exactly what I would call the kind of rock that I generally listen to, but I like this song and it's fun to sing along. I'd give that a replay. So that's the end of cycle 2. And you can see that everything changed. It's not just a deterministic model like it was originally. It is now a model that evolves, that listens, that learns from the user's inputs. You give it a like, you give it a skip, you give it a replay, adds points for that type of song, and it recalculates your preferences based on those results and starts recommending different songs out of the preview. So, and that's the basics of it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye then. Peace.